Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Again, I want to thank everyone for your support on the channel. If you guys do like the content, if you guys do like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. Today, just want to do a quick update video from my prior yesterday talking about the big pullback with Portola and also a trading opportunity when stocks behave like Portola, really based on very little new information with regards to the underlying company's operations. If we take a look at the portfolio here, you can see it was down 31, 36, 92, 2.1% of the overall portfolio. Again, a lot of that had to do from the events yesterday, starting today down 33, 42, 89 during pre-market trading. Again, that's a carryover from yesterday when it did pull back quite a bit in after-hours trading. You can see here it did rebound very nicely here for a while. At one point only down 800, 796.06. And then late afternoon trading here, you can see it did pull back again, ending the day in the red, 31, 36.92. If we scroll down to Portola, that's really what was driving that pullback in the portfolio. You can see here again, starting off the day in the negative, down 9.27%, $4.47 pre-market. It did rebound here quite nicely. This really presents a very good trading opportunity. Unfortunately, not quite sure what happened. I thought I had put a trade in this morning around 44.25 or so. That did not happen here. I think it just did not execute because the price rose so rapidly right after the opening bell here. I know there was a few viewers on the channel here taking advantage of this nice little rebound in the price of Portola, buying around 44, 36.75 or so, and then having it pull all the way back up here to 46.30, over $46. So very nice $2 swing trade there if you could have jumped in at the right moment. Not quite sure what happened with my portfolio, but I was able to, again, sell off some shares yesterday, 45.50.01. Not quite sure what happened to my orders, not even in the history actually. So big mistake there. Definitely was going to do a swing trade with Portola this morning. Was not able to do that. Nonetheless, this really presents good opportunities when a stock pulls back. And I've noticed in the markets, very little new information regarding a company will have very drastic changes in the price of the stock. I think it's just a little bit of overzealous trading, to be quite honest. Again, starting the day down 9.27%. When the information yesterday, yes, was negative, but really wasn't that big of a change in the company's operations. Just to remind you guys, there was some reports that the European drug approval process for a couple of its up-and-coming drugs overall was negative. Very good report on one drug, a negative report on the other. And because of that information, the price of the stock pulled back here quite significantly. Again, 9.27%. But again, Europe really is not the drugs intended market. So I think this was a little bit of overreaction here. And again, it did pull back here quite nicely. 1.87 down when it started the day, 4.47 in the green, or excuse me, in the red in pre-market trading. So a very nice swing trade. I know a few of you guys did take advantage of that. Not quite sure what happened with my trade. Definitely missed opportunity here. And I do think this stock will start rebounding here over the next few months or so until its announcement for the next drug. I believe that has been pushed back to May now after doing some additional reading. So I think May is now the driver behind what this stock will be doing. Again, investing in these types of companies are very risky. It's a small cap biotech company. Has a lot of upward potential, but again, if its drugs don't have a favorable response with the FDA as well as the European Union drug approval process, this could come back quite dramatically. And you can, again, see this nice big spike in the price of the stock because of a very good FDA decision that went this company's way. Again, jumping from $35 or so all the way up over $65 at one point. So high risk, high reward in these small cap biotech companies. But again, I think the price should start rebounding here a bit. And there may be another opportunity for a swing trade here, but unfortunately, did not get into the swing trade I wanted to do this morning. I know a few of you guys did, so congrats on that. And again, I'll continue to follow this stock along to kind of see how this all plays out over the next few months or so. So I didn't want to talk about anything other than that today. Again, very good trading opportunity. When companies that you know very well have very small news that drive the price of the stock significantly in either direction, definitely a time to either jump out of the stock if there's a lot of trading activity that drives up the price of the stock for no reason, or vice versa. If a little information does result in a big pullback, again, with Portola here, good example, 9.27% based on very little new information, very little information that's really affecting the underlying capability for profit in the company. So, again, just wanted to do a quick video here updating you guys on Portola. Again, if you guys have any questions about this video, other videos, please let me know in the comment threads down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you guys as quickly as I can. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.